Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, you know, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got the car up. We're going to put the motor back in today. I'm waiting for Dion to respond, so it'll be a little bit later in the day when we actually put the motor in, because I'm trying to give him a couple hours to respond to my text on whether he's going to help me or not. If he's not going to help me, no problem. You guys saw me before I took out the block, and I'm pretty sure I can put in the new block, so, and tranny. So that's what we're doing today. The startup's not going to happen in this video just because I have to get oil. I'm still waiting for that fitting. I have to get oil. I need power steering fluid because it all leaked out. I need clutch fluid because it all leaked out. What else? I think that's about it. Again, I'm just waiting for that piece to the turbo. Here, I'll actually show you guys again. Nope, and still no response from Dion. Not going to worry about it right now, though. Alright guys, so again, I'm waiting for that fitting that goes in right into that hole, and then I'll be able to take the, this actually goes into here, that is for coolant, and then plugs in right there. So again, I'm just waiting for that fitting, and as you guys can see back here, that's pretty much what it's supposed to look like. It actually is coming from here, coming around and going into this hose right here. The only thing is with this kit, I have to, like, everything is so close. I mean, it's so compact. Like, you see how where the this is the mounting bracket for the motor right here, and here's the turbo. You see how close that is. Very close. And then the other issue is there's no support bracket for the turbo. There's no way to do it, so it's kind of sucks. Alright guys, while we're waiting for Dion to call back, I decided to get the rest of that Ninja Turtle green shit out of my car, and it was on the strut tower bar. So some paint stripper, and it's coming off. I mean, but it went down to the bare metal, so I've got to respray this. Alright guys, so Dion, I guess he just finished up at the parade, Memorial Day parade, and he'll be over soon, at least according to his text. So we'll get this in soon. Hopefully at least he'll come back before that, so that way I don't have to keep going upstairs checking on Noah, because he's supposed to be taking a nap, but you know, 2-year-olds in a nap, yeah, that's a pain in the ass. So I'm gonna keep working. I gotta sand. So here's where I'm at actually. Again with the bar, it's a strut tower bar. So I'm just gonna actually sand it, and then I'm gonna end up painting it black. Probably just using the same the black that I use on the wheels. Nothing crazy, nothing special, and that's that. So when he gets here, turn the camera back on, and we'll get that motor in. I just wanted to show you guys something really quick. This is what I've been doing. This bar, well, okay, that ant just ran across, but this bar obviously looks 10 times better in black. And I ended up using the engine enamel paint just because the other paint's not going to work under the hood to me. You know, I'm just trying to get things done. The other thing here, I'm going to show you guys actually what I'm doing right now is I'm actually taking, so that grommet here, which, what did I do with that plastic piece? Oh, this plastic, which had this plastic cover on it right here. I had to get that off, and the reason being is because I actually have to take the two computer connectors and eventually put them through this grommet for the Haltech, which needs to go, for some reason they want it plugged up on the inside of the car. I don't know if it's for security purposes or what, but that plastic piece is kind of a pain in the ass to get off, just because it's connected to this plastic piece right here. So I actually had to unbolt here and unbolt over here, just to get this to move so I could remove it. And it's still a pain in the butt because it has these two clips that clip into that plastic piece. So you know, it was a pain, but at least it's ready. And what I'm doing is, as you guys can see, I'm cutting very carefully, because as you can see, there are wires right there. I'm cutting this grommet so that way I'll be able to put those connectors through when I'm ready to actually do it, and it won't be a big pain in the butt. So that's where I'm at right now. Again, just waiting on Dion to get here. So I'm gonna throw this on the throw the camera on the charger just so it's ready to go, and then him and I are gonna just get to work getting the motor in so you guys can see that. And so that's where we're at. Alright guys, so looks like Dion isn't showing up. Hold on, let me turn this down. So it looks like Dion isn't coming. I don't know what happened. Maybe he got busy, but it looks like I'm going to put the motor in just because it needs to at least get into its hole or its home, and then go from there. It's not going to end up completely in. It'll end up completely in today, but what's going to happen is there's some connectors like the alternator and the starter that I have to connect, but it's easier to connect it when the motor is free and not completely in. So that's what we're going to do now. So just bear with me here. Wish me luck. as you guys saw, we were putting in the motor yesterday when the camera just shut off. And the reason why the camera shut off was because the charge, the battery died and basically stopped filming on its own. And yeah, that's what happens when you think you're charging a camera, but it's not charging because it wasn't plugged in on the inside. Don't laugh at me. But the good news is the motor is in. And the other good news is that missing piece, I got it today. What is surprising me is the company, and I can't pronounce that, Kenyugawa. I wasn't expecting it from them. I was expecting it from ISR. I don't know if maybe they're an affiliate, but this piece has to go right under this line. It fits in the water, it fits under there basically. So I'm gonna have to obviously remove the oil line to get to it and add the line, and then it connects to that rubber hose right there. So and then what we can do is we can get everything put back together as far as the front end is concerned and start it and see where we're at, which is awesome. The other thing I have to do too is I actually have to run the wideband wire. I'm gonna actually run it through that spot, that rubber mount right there. Here, I'll zoom in for you. I'm gonna run that through that rubber mount. As you can see, I cut it already, but I'm gonna run it through there and then down. And that's also the same, that's also the same mount same rubber mount that I'm gonna be running these, the connectors for the ECU through once I hook up the Haltech to the inside of the car. So that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna end the video there. Hopefully the next video we get a startup. I am gonna do a review again of the ISR kit. It's going to be a pre-start and then post-start. So we'll go from there, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the setup. Oh, the other thing too, before we go, I actually had to modify. We had to do some modification because this isn't exactly fitting the way I'd like, and we'll discuss that further at some point in the future. Also, I feel like I'm gonna have to create some type of shield here because look how close the manifold is here. So I feel like I'm gonna have to create some sort of metal shield going across here, and something that's gonna actually help block these hoses so they're not touching and things like that. So there's still some work to do. There's still some things to do. I need new hoses here, and I need the stupid clip for this sensor here so this stays plugged in for the cam sensor. So that's where I'm at. Let me know what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, go back and watch the other videos. Again, more and more videos are you're gonna see. We're gonna get this done, and you'll see that in the videos before this one. Yeah, because I already shot those and I'm working on editing those. So oh yes, before we go, yes, the last of the green shit is gone. No more Ninja Turtle. So anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. And until next time, make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.